All right, Galt, how do you make these videos you're talking about? Keep it simple. Going back to the very first slide, do not make it complex and do not make it long because no one's going to watch a 5 minute longer clip. So all I do is I set up a slide, new dot slide, set up a new Google slide, and I pick a video recorder of my choice. I've been using Zoom lately. Um, Cell phones from Casify, whatever you use the snipping tool. Okay, a snipping tool is a great thing that's already in your computer. If you look right there in that link, Nina Payton has a video from way back in the 2 minute tech tip days on how to use the snipping tool. If you don't, a YouTube account, yes, you need that. You can use Google Drive. I hate messing with permissions, so I just use YouTube because it's easier. And then Google Slides, and then it connects this lesson. Okay, that's the key point. Is where I said that teaching is 20% planning. Connexus has already got it planned for you. That's why this is not too much extra work, because all you're really doing is filming yourself going through that day's lesson and adding your little tips and tricks and trades and how to do, but not too much time, because the goal is to help them, not hinder them. And also showing that engagement. You got to show engagement, you got to show empathy, and you got to show excitement to get the kids wanting to do the lesson that is there. And you can do that talking to them, building bonds, even though I am not talking to anyone except a ring light, which is blinding me. I'm talking to you, and so you can talk to your kids, and it is a community just like the YouTube people that kids watch all day, and they do watch them all day. I just got foster kids. I had no idea how popular Ryan was. Their kids' parents was genius. I'm going to press pause because I'm getting too long. Go into the next video.